doesn't matter if you're a professional or regular Joe. Raynolse is for everyone, so forget about time setting, note-taking, planning, and remember just one thing: Raynolse. Raynolse alerts you once every 10 jumps, so you won't have to keep count while you're working out. Its light and compact size, the unique diamond pattern offers you the best grip for any intense jump rope workouts. The double bearings, along with the 90-degree angled design, allows you to jump your best performance. With Bluetooth receivers that track up to 30 jumps per second, you'll get accurate numbers for your single and double unders during multiple training sessions. Now let's move on to Raynolse Smart app. Single, double under, Raynolse tracks it all. So you can try every jump you want during your workout session. Raynolse counts your every movement precisely. I know, it's pretty cool, right? Chad seems to be working out hard, but wouldn't it be better if he could keep track of daily performance to see improvements? Check this out. You can see all your records and tracking histories all on your phone. We're just getting started. Ready for round 2? Not only can you customize the length of the rope to match your height, but you can also choose the type of rope you want. It's super easy to set up. Just like weightlifting, jumping rope also has to be done under a controlled resting and working session for the best results. And that can be easily done with Raynolse. With the various settings, track your jumping in tens, hundreds, or even thousands without checking the screen. Now, revolutionize your jump rope game with Raynolse. Optimize your performance with Raynolse. With Raynolse, every effort counts.